Hey everybody, welcome back. In this video, we are going to show you how to fix the Snapchat device ban issue on your Android device. So let's just dive right in and get started. So usually you get that error when your device has been flagged or banned. It usually happens when you're using third-party applications or you have logged in too many times or Snapchat has detected unusual or automated behavior. So what you can do is you can start by uninstalling the application and reinstalling it. Hold the Snapchat application for that and look out for the uninstall option and uninstall the Snapchat application completely from your device. Once it is done, you can also try uh, opening up Snapchat again. If that does not work, you can clear up data as well. So hold Snapchat. After that, go to the info section and open up the app info. And from the given options, you can head over and look out for the storage option and tap on it. And under storage, look out for the option of clear cache, also clear data if necessary. Apart from that, what we can do is we can try going ahead and creating a fresh device ID. So you can do a factory reset for that. If you find it up, you can look out for factory reset for Snapchat, and that will change the device's ID after removing the ban. You can try that. If your device is still banned, you can just go over and contact Snapchat support instead. So go to a browser if you can't access your application, and you can directly go ahead and search for support.snapchat.com and hit go, and you should be taken to their official help center. From here, look out for the option of my account is compromised, and from there just go over and fill out the details, and in this description box right here, just explain clearly that you're getting that error code, that your device is banned, and that you have removed all of the third-party applications and reinstalled the Snapchat. Please help you to restore your access. Just make it very clear and make it more convincing so that they can review it quickly, and they should usually reply between 2 to 5 business days. Also, never use any kind of third party applications or emulators and avoid switching accounts too often on one phone. And that is it, everybody. That is how you fix Snapchat device ban on your Android. So, if this video helped you out, give it a like, comment, and also subscribe for more fixes. And that's it.